Hello, welcome back guys. I'm Codecaster Dave, and in today's video I just want to talk about the CSS videos. And as you can see, we are having the DC sub docs, and in this documentation, this is where we have some nice concepts for those who want to start from scratch. We have a lot of concepts in here, and in today's video I just wanted to take you through. So I have some concepts here in CSS, and it's what we are going to be looking at in this video. So as you can see, so we have the CSS videos, and here they are saying styling videos with CSS allows you to control their appearance and layout on your web page. So you can still set dimensions, apply borders, apply shadows, and control the display of the videos in the CSS. So as you can see, so here they are saying the basic video stylings. So you can set the dimensions, the width and the height on the video. You can set like the borders, the border radius and all that. You can set like everything on a video. So we have some of the examples of the videos. We have those ones which we make with the video tag, and also have those ones we make with the iframes, and we can also use the video in the background. So we are going to just start with the one of the video tag, and let us just get started with code. So here with me I have an open application in VS Code, and we're going to just rename it CSS videos, and we are going to start with a section. So I'm going to make a section, and we are going to just be following these. So you can just copy even this, and we bring it here, and I will explain this. So as you can see, so in this example, this is the video, as you can see. So we are going to just get one video from my PC, and we are going to be using this video for this first example. So I'm going to also copy the CSS, and I'll bring it here and I'll paste it. So I'll take you through this. So here we are having this section, and the section we given it a class of video section, and we have an h2. It's showing like the heading of the video of the app, and we also have the video tag which we have just talked about, and it has like this demo which we are going to remove and be inserting the real one. So to start, we can just come down here, and we get a video. So if I come here, I'm going to get this, and I'll paste it in our app just like this. So let me first close this. Okay, so this is a video, and we are going to just insert it in here. So this is up, as you can see, and if we just go here in the CSS, I'm going to explain also here. So we have the section, we have given it the background of Alice blue, it's a color, and we have given it the mean height of 100 view height, and the padding top and bottom 2 rem. So we also came to the h2, this one which is showing the videos. We also gave it the font size of 2 rem and the font weight of 800, and we went on and we gave the video section a width of 100%. Okay, so this one is on the video. So if I just come here and I go live, okay, so as you can see, so this is the video, and if we just click on it, it has these controllers. If I can pause it, so if we just come here, this is the controllers. If you just remove it like this, the video, if we go back, it has no controllers. So it means this one controls what is going to be on the video. Sorry, this one is controls. Okay, so if I just come back here, you can see it got the controls. So this is so powerful, and we have just covered the one, and we are going to look at the next one. So if I just come here down, let me first go back here, and the next one is the background video. As you can see, a background video is used to create a dynamic and visual appealing background for a section of a web page. This involves setting a video as a background of a container using CSS. So we also have this example where they are telling us that we can use the video as a background. So let us just try out this one. So we can also copy this out. As you can see, you can also copy this out, but I'm going to just copy the section just like this, and I'll bring this section here. Okay, so it also has the CSS here. So if I just come here and also pick that CSS, okay, so the section had video. Okay, let me copy this out like this. If I bring it here, I'll paste it here. Okay, so let us just explain what's in this. So this one, we are going to just call it the background video section. Background video section. Okay, so if I just come here in our CSS, okay, either way I can even leave it and we see what it will do. We first leave it, okay, just like this. So let us go back here. Okay, so let us put this video also. We're going to use this video, the one we have. It's called this okay, so as you can see, okay, so this one, it has the the controls, and they are somehow different from the first one. It has the autoplay, it has the loop and the muted. So the autoplay is the one making it to play like on its own without us pressing the play button, and the loop, this one, is the one making it to play once again and again and again, and the muted is the one which is like removing the background. So if I try to remove the muted just like this, and I come back, so you can see the background is the sound is back. Is that okay? So if I also remove the autoplay, like the video will not play. Okay, so if I put it back, the video will play automatically without us pressing the play. Okay, so I want us to see this content section, this one. So I'll rename this to background video section. So I'm going to copy this, okay, and I'll bring it down here. Okay, background video section. Okay, I'll paste it here. So we have here the we have this. Okay, I can copy this and I bring it here just like this. So I expect everything to be okay. So as you can see, so we are having this and it's on top like what we did here. So these stylings, they are saying that if we have like this section, the content section, and we have this background video section, it's the main container. We want to put this content in here. And we are giving it a position of relative. So the content will take the position of absolute, and it will be on top of the video. Okay, so we have given it the top of 50%, as you can see. So this is making the video to play in the background. Okay, so as you can see, this is a button, and this is the what, and this is the paragraph, this one where we gave it the font weight of 600, font size of 2 rem, and the color of Alice blue. So as you can see, we have covered the two examples of the video. We had the video tag, and we have also this one in the background. So let us look at the last one, and the last one is the what, is the iframe embedded. Like, we use those ones from the what, from the embedded iframe. Okay, as you can see here, they are showing us this section where we got this video from the what. So I'm going to just copy out also this section. Okay, and I'm going to just bring it here, down here, just like this. And this one, I'm going to show you how we got this iframe. Okay, so I'm going to also bring the CSS, just also, and the CSS is here. So just copy this. Okay, and I'll paste it here. So as I explained, like the what, these stylings, setting up the dimensions. So the iframe has got like the width and the height, as you can see. So if we go to our app, just here, you can see. So this is a video from YouTube. Okay, I'm going to show you this video from my YouTube channel. Okay,
hello, welcome back guys.
As you can see,
I'm podcaster.
So let me go back here. So before I forget, I want to thank all of those ones like who have really managed to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Continue to subscribe and watch the content. Okay, so I'm going to link like this link in the description. For those who need the code, you will just come here and copy everything as we have done in the video. Okay, so as YouTube is still loading, I want to show you how you can get the iframe from any video. Okay, I think my internet is not okay. Let's just go on YouTube once again. Okay, I think the network is not okay, but with the iframe you can still get an iframe from anywhere. It can be Instagram video, it can be TikTok video. When you go to share, you find something like the share video, and you find something like embedded. So that's where you get the iframe from. So if this one has failed, I was about to end this video, but let me show you how you can get like the embedded. So if I just come here to Caster Dave. Okay, if I just come here to Caster Dave, okay, I think the internet is not okay. Okay, so I think it's done. So if I come here and I try to like share, as you can see, so here we have this embedded, and if you just copy this embedded just like this and you bring it here, okay, so this is just the iframe, as you can see. Okay, so we are having 103 subscribers. Thank you guys for supporting this, and also like to thank Desisab for sponsoring every video. Thank you guys. So I would like to stop here, and I'm going to link this link in the description so that you guys can come out and check like Desisab docs. Okay, and you try to get the skills and use this for your good. Also, before I forget, we have some courses for you guys. So if you just come here at Desisab, we have a number of courses where you can come and try to grab one and you upgrade on your skills. For those who want to become full stack developers, for those who want to upgrade on their skills. So I'm going to also link the Desisab courses link in the description. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll say goodbye.